Today we're making one of the fastest and tastiest Persian comfort foods, potato kuku. We're using simple ingredients: potatoes,
eggs, carrot,
a little flour, salt, black pepper, and turmeric. We grate the potatoes, no pre-cooking needed. Next, we grate the carrots. They add a little sweetness, color, and help the potato kuku stay soft and balanced. Then we squeeze the grated potatoes and carrots with our hands to remove all the excess moisture. Next, we add a little flour, salt, black pepper, and turmeric to the mixture. After that, we add eggs to bring the mixture together. Now we mix everything together really well, making sure all the ingredients are fully combined. This step helps the mixture hold together perfectly. We add a little oil to the pan and let it heat up. Then, we spoon the mixture into the hot oil, forming small separate circles. This helps each piece cook evenly and turn beautifully golden and crispy. Once one side turns golden and crispy, we flip each piece so the other side can cook as well. We make sure both sides are evenly browned and perfectly crispy before taking them out of the pan. Now our potato kuku is ready, perfectly golden and crispy. Enjoy!